How we doing? I got another tip for you today. This is a specialty tip. Not all of you are going to be using these connectors, but I don't know if anybody's ever seen these. I know there's a lot of you out there are probably using these. These are called SMPTE connectors. Our good folks at FIS Blue do the SMPTE connectors. It stands for Society of Motion Picture and Television Engineers. And these are basically your video cameras cables. You'll see at sporting events and concerts and the Olympics. And if you were to look at these are, repairs that we've done for other customers. You can see that there's copper leads in here and there's two single mode fibers. And basically this is an all-in-one cable. We call these TAC cables, tactical cables. And inside of this connection, the copper and the fibers attach. And these are fairly expensive connectors. And when you think about events where we're picking these up and putting them down, they get used and abused. And really, we need to be very clean, as I've always stated. We get a lot of repairs for these and evaluations, and sometimes it's just an easy fix. So when we look at the two ends, you're looking at, this is the FUW, and we call this the PUW, and they are alignable. I'm sure if you use these, the red lines, the way they align to click together. That way we can't pull them apart unless we pull the sleeve back. But the thing I want to concentrate on is these single mode ferrules that you see here. So these two are exposed, and we do have a one-click cleaner to clean this. Nice number of swabs that we can clean in there. We really want to keep these clean, especially in these events where it gets pretty dirty at NASCAR tracks, like I said, golfing events. The other side here, the fibers have these two alignment sleeves, and these sleeves have inside them, just like a mating sleeve you would see for connectors like SCs, STs, they have ceramic split sleeves in there. And these split sleeves can get dirty, and we can use our cleaner, and we can use swabs, but they also can get damaged, and sometimes those sleeves will crack and we won't get a good connection. So this is an extraction tool that you can buy, and these are some on-the-job things that you can do. Is what we do is we thread them on to this side, this FUW, and once we get a nice thread, we pull, and it takes the sleeve out. And if we can look here, if I'll take this sleeve off, this is my sleeve that does the alignment. It's got the ceramic sleeve inside of here. These can crack, and so sometimes my repair might be as easy as just having some of these spare ones and having my extraction tool and removing them and replacing them. And you can see inside of here where I've removed this one, you can see the ferrules exposed. And to put it back in, all we do, normally we would leave these on for cleaning, but what we'll do is we push until we hear an audible click. There we go. And then we just unscrew, and we can do some repairs on the field. It would be terrible to have to pick up a 200, 300, 400 foot cable for the fact that maybe just we need to change an alignment sleeve. So I hope that helps you SMPTE connector users, and I'll see you again in another video.